Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to give you enough information to get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do an awesome job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think this might be something you want or need, I'll put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Arkansas. Arkansas became the 25th state to join the Union on June 15, 1836. The original governor was a guy named James Miller. We know today that the capital of Arkansas is Little Rock, but that wasn't always the case. Arkansas's original capital was a place called Arkansas's Post. The state flag consists of a red background with a giant blue diamond in the center containing 25 stars. The diamond represents Arkansas's nation was the first diamond-producing state. The state bird is the northern mockingbird. The state tree is the loblolly pine tree. The state flower is the apple blossom, and the state nickname is the Wander State. Now, the state motto is a Latin phrase called Regent Populus, which means the people rule. I like that. Now, hopefully this is enough information to get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do an awesome job. You got this! Till next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.